Welcome to your daily English listening practice. Today, we have a fascinating sci-fi mystery, The Coin from the Future. Chloe worked a quiet job as a librarian in the Historical Archives Department. She loved history because it was predictable and solid. One busy Tuesday morning, a delivery man brought a large box of old books and documents. They had been stored in a damp basement for decades. Chloe began the long task of cataloging the items. Inside a dusty, torn velvet bag, she found something small and metallic. It was a coin, but unlike any she had ever seen. The coin was perfectly smooth and shiny, made of a metal that felt strangely warm. It wasn't gold or silver. On one side, there was no head of a queen or a president, only a geometric symbol that looked like a complex knot. On the other side, the date was clearly visible, 2075. Chloe gasped. The coin was from 50 years in the future. Her heart pounded faster than the clock on the wall. Was this a trick? A joke? She examined the coin under a magnifying glass, but the date was real and the metal was impossible to fake. Chloe decided to test the coin. She took it to a coffee shop and tried to pay for her espresso. The cashier looked at the coin, looked at Chloe, and laughed. "Sorry, miss, this is monopoly money, not currency." Feeling foolish, Chloe returned to the library. She spent the entire day researching the strange geometric symbol. She found no record of it anywhere in history, art, or science. That evening, Chloe was walking home when she passed a newspaper stand. A huge headline screamed, "Major city bank collapses today." Chloe checked her phone. The headline was for today, but the time of the collapse was 10 a.m., 3 hours before she found the coin. Chloe suddenly remembered the warmth of the coin. She held it in her hand. It felt warmer than usual. She realized the coin wasn't a warning about the past. It reacted to the immediate future. The next morning, Chloe received an urgent message from her colleague, Mr. Bell. He asked her to meet him at the old Central Tower to look at some rare books. Central Tower was the oldest building in the city, but it was known for being structurally weak. Before leaving, Chloe held the coin tightly. She felt a wave of intense, sudden coldness, unlike the warmth she felt before. The coldness was painful and made her hands shake. Chloe immediately called Mr. Bell. "Do not go to the Central Tower. Stay outside. Wait for me." Mr. Bell was confused. "Why? I am already at the entrance." Chloe didn't explain. She grabbed her coat and ran. When she arrived 15 minutes later, she saw the scene. The Central Tower was fine, but a huge delivery truck had lost control and had crashed right into the building's entrance, exactly where Mr. Bell would have been standing. Mr. Bell was safe, standing on the sidewalk, looking shocked. Chloe understood. The cold coin was a warning about danger. The coldness had saved Mr. Bell's life. Chloe never tried to spend the coin again. She placed the coin back into the dusty velvet bag. She realized the coin wasn't meant to buy things or reveal secrets of the distant future. It was meant to be a simple daily guide, a small warm feeling for safety, or a painful cold feeling for immediate danger. Chloe learned to trust the silence of history, but she also learned to trust the subtle language of the future. She kept the coin in her pocket, ready for the next time it decided to speak. Now, let's practice your understanding. 1. What date was clearly visible on the coin? 2. What major event happened 3 hours before Chloe found the coin? 3. What did the coin's coldness warn Chloe about? Thank you for your daily practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English stories tomorrow.